Hey guys, it's David Tutorials here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Midnight Green. So a quick disclaimer, I've had this phone for about a week now. I'm just going to do the unboxing for you guys now. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro 256 gig Midnight Green and took the plastic screen off already. That's what it looks like. Got the three cameras on there. Pretty dope. With the glass back, we have the typical instructions. Hello. We got a SIM card ejector tool. Got some documentation, the typical 2 Apple stickers. Inside we got the fast charging USB. This one's different than the iPhone 11 because this one charges your phone a lot faster and it's thicker. Got the normal crappy headphones. Got to get on those AirPods instead of these wired headphones. You got the USB, but it's not USB, it's USB Type-C for the fast charge right here. Pretty cool with the Apple port right here, iPhone port. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment whether you would rather have the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And make sure to subscribe. Peace.